Need fast, free, and unlimited image conversion and compression? Introducing the OneWebCare free image converter and compressor. No sign-up, no limits, just instant results. With this tool, you can upload JPG, PNG, or WEBP files and convert them to any format you need. Plus, compressing your images helps boost website speed, improve SEO, and reduce loading times, all with just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to onewebcare.com/image-converter-and-compressor. Step 2. Upload your images. You can choose one image or upload in bulk. No restrictions. Step 3. Select the format you want, JPG, PNG, or WEBP. Then adjust the quality percentage to compress your files and lower the size without losing visible quality. In seconds, your optimized images are ready to download. Try it now, it's free, unlimited, and hassle-free. Perfect for bloggers, designers, developers, and anyone who wants faster, lighter images for the web. OneWebCare, simple tools that make your website faster.